You're tired, eh?
Tired.
Feeling tired, eh? Okay, no problem. What time finish your duty?
5.
5.
5:30 in the morning.
You on night shift, right?
Yes.
5 to morning 5, right? Okay. কি দেখেন মানে আমার কথা শুনিয়া কি মনে হয়
Me sleeping here.
হ্যাঁ See, meet my friend Humayun Kabir.
He is from
He's also from Bangladesh. He's my roommate.
the roommate.
Yeah. He's very nice guy also.
Crazy guy. This taxi crazy guy.
Yeah, some driver is like that.
No, when you report him,
What you do?
He come here complain. Why you report me? Why you report me? Now he's chasing money.